we're literally shooting for Key Glocks tour tonight. Like, that's insane, vlog. We stranded. The car broke down, bro.
Come on, let's watch the Vlogmaster.
It's a trip, man. The boys going to Vegas. Yeah.
It's your boy Double Out Chick, man.
Vlogmaster Kobe!
This is what we woke up to.
Rubber Band OG checking in.
Mickey T, Tia Corinne.
This is Vlogmaster Kobe, live in Malibu. You're watching my vlogs. Alright, man, alright. It's been a minute since I did this. But drop my music, man, drop my music. Guess who we got to start today? Guess who we got to start? It's a trip, man. Boys going to Vegas. It's crazy. We got a cool little plan. We got some nice stuff about to get into. It has been a minute. Y'all saw, I think last time they saw you was, what night? I don't know what night. But hero for the day, man. Ron. Shout out, Ron, man.
What do you do?
Appreciate you.
Uber driver in the building.
Ron actually going somewhere too. I got Miami.
Miami soon.
Miami soon, like literally a few weeks. We're sliding out of here. I'm tapping with y'all in a second.
Same nigga breaking down hoes left and right. I was counting up in him on a private flight. All this chrome on my body like a medieval knight.
Alright, vlog update. The guys made it through. Everybody all good, cool. And we about to
Bought a little PJ, bought a little PJ.
We excited?
Yeah, man. Be outside.
Expectations?
Movie.
That's it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tap in with y'all, get a little B-roll, and tap with y'all in Charlotte. Vlog, I just had a, let me flex real quick, vlog. Let me flex real quick. So this is the view. I decided to not do hotel B&B for the view, guaranteed view. And the space, like, just look at how much space we have. Like, this ain't it. Basically a 180 view, lit. Like, I can't wait to show y'all this during the day. That's really when it's gonna hit for real. And it's just gonna be like, I'm here, but what you thinking, man?
Crazy, bro.
Life, man. Life. Like I told Kyle, like, man, I gotta get me some money in life. Got to, for real. We in Vegas, man. We in Vegas, man. It's just crazy. I'm back, for real. God, it feel good to be back.
Like no bitch, limo 10 off, fat my car, yeah, I had it hard, so my bitch broke in the hood. Take from straight off, I did something fast with the block in the hood.
Man, vlog, second day here. I'm just gonna make one video. Man, look, bro. This is what we woke up to. This is what we woke up to. Yeah. It's like that out here. Whole lot of that. Whole lot of this, whole lot of that, man. I'm home. I'm home. That's all I can say. But, hey, we about to get this car, man. We had a hassle yesterday. I'm gonna keep y'all posted when we get going. But, let's do it. Fit check for today, man. Let them know what's going on. Calm. Layers. It's a little cool outside. Go ahead and get them right with me, man. Let's see. Nice little hoodie. This was the New York cop. It's not too many videos ago because it's on YouTube. So, you know, hat from DC. And I still have my shape thing in here that needs to get taken out. But yeah, all black bottom. Let's do it.
Trying to get a car right now so we can get out the city for real. Show y'all a little bit.
Yeah, show y'all what the what's your car, the desert really hitting like. After that, what's the plans once we get the car? Because I'm speaking it into existence.
Once we get the car, they just gotta stay tuned.
Honestly, yeah, for real. But yeah, we're trying to get a car, man. We have bumped into like a few bumps on the car situation. I mean, I'm sure y'all know what I'm talking about if you travel and whatnot, but we stranded. The car broke down, bro. We don't know what to do. We like 2 hours from town. I'm playing, y'all, But whatchamacallit, low-key just pull over to grab some flicks, man, and take this in. I'm home. It's crazy.
Young boy in the city, man. I'm home. Big 702 stuff. Big 702 stuff, guys. Big 702 stuff, man.
Had to get a good flip.
Retired, man. Current time 10:23 Pacific. Key Glock tonight. Tomorrow, well, tomorrow night, tonight, as in East Coast. Let's do it, man. It's 7:02. Last flight. We're almost home to get some rest for the show. Alright vlog, so I have officially arrived here at Key Glock show. It's crazy, man. Like, I'm really, like, this is official. Like, this is the first show that I'm a part of that actually has like real life tour buses. They look like, I mean, I'm sure this is small compared to like Rolling Loud out back this thing. But man, this is a pretty cool experience, bro. Shout out to Tia Court's team. We about to take advantage of this. Hey vlog, so I'm gonna change, man. We here at House of Blues. It's time to go. This is crazy, bro. Like, we're literally shooting for Key Glock's tour tonight. Like, that's insane, vlog. I came a long way with this stuff. But the main artist that I'm actually focused on tonight is Tia, because that's who I'm pretty much in here through. I actually, in fun fact, like, I'm a fan. I guess you could say I'm a fan of Tia, because I was listening to her since high school, and I tried to tell my friends about it because my first time I heard her was at her Rolling Loud performance, and like, I actually rocked with her music, and now I'm shooting for it tonight. So that's crazy, but I'm here, man. Got to get some B-roll and whatnot, and let's get things going. I'll see y'all inside. Gotcha.
Let's go! Okay, let's go! Work! Okay, freaky! Let's go. Let's go. Shit, bitch, I'm fucked up. I'm being the back like funny ass shit. I ain't gonna lie, like.
What's up, man?
What the fuck is this?
Man, you crazy. That's crazy. I find no pussy. The pussy out there.
Shit, me.
Shit, go out there, don't go left or go right. I bet you see all the bitches.
Before we be looking like that could be anyone. James Bond.
So can I give y'all some merch?
And then I'm gonna play.
I mean, it's up to you. You wanna go down? You wanna go down now?
Yeah, come on, go ahead.
This is blue, by the way, Tia. This is my personal.
I know it's my guy. Are you there?
I'm just making sure.
Let's get it.
What's up, y'all? It's Mickey T, Tia Corinne. I'm at North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, House of Blues.
Cut that down, cut that down. What's up, Myrtle Beach? Yeah! Yeah! Oh man, I'm fucking with the energy in here. Y'all ready to see Key Glock? Let me get it. Okay. Y'all ready to see Key Glock? Let me get a hell yeah! Woo! Oh man, I'm fucking with y'all, Myrtle Beach guys. Damn. Okay. Well, let me tell y'all something. Blizzard has a special guest that he wants me to see. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! What's up, shit? Call me Freaky T. Let's go!
I got cream, make up big clip. Hold on. I'm running back. Hold on.
Okay!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah!
South Carolina? What's happening? Oh my God. It's my first time being here. What's good? Thank you.
What's up, Myrtle Beach?
Don't give a fuck, God. Be a bitch, up, scratch up like a lotto. Bitch, turn your love. I'm going to search and tell me fuck that your bitch should have cried like that. Ain't good like the same as the stairs in the brain like
Go! 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 Call me Freaky T. I can have a beat. I got Who's your self-esteem? Hold on. Y'all ain't laughing at that. That's right. But let's do it one more time. When I say P, y'all say drop. P. Damn, y'all lit. Let's go.
Oh,
That was fun.
No, you had to.
I had to, I can say no.
2, 3, 4 minutes.
Those are lifelong fans.
Right, they were so happy.
It's these shows, you feel me? You just do your thing.
Thank you. That's hard, brother. Did you save it?
Yeah, shit was awesome.
Save it.
For sure. What's up to you?
That's hard. I didn't have to perform that shit. That was crazy. There you go.
Huh? You a motherfucker. Why you say that? You like anytime to cry like a motherfucker. Oh God. You a motherfucker with yourself. I be shying the bitch in front of them people. I know you do. Why you had them shades on? You like you don't see nobody. Stop. Hey, that's a set right there. I ain't gonna lie.
That's the, I might be the one right
That's
there.
the one. We can switch it up how we
Yeah,
switch it
little
up
song,
from
but
there, but
that's
that's the one.
Okay.
This shit. It's the hug before this is. We gotta make sure the hug before this is.
Yeah, I know.
By the way, though, I don't get them hoodie, man. You gonna have a problem.
Okay.
Look at Eel, you playing a hell of a role. Eel, you playing a hell of a role. I fuck with it.
I'm not giving you one. No, I'm not.
Eel playing a hell of a role.
Good.
We do. We waiting on that.
Just don't let me have it. Just don't let me get this motherfucker. Manny. Hey, Tia. Bam.
Oh.
No, this is the dude who got me my first placement. This is like my fucking brother. And he's
I see him.
he's just actually a dick.
He's really good. I like drinking this Coke.
Yes, I have the chaotica, so you good on
Oh,
That's
Jaleel.
what I'm trying to
You
do.
like you ain't. I teach you
Okay,
something.
bet. Jaleel.
Yo, how's the tour?
I just got off stage. It was great. That shit was lit. Yeah, no, that shit was crazy. I'm gonna send you this video. Shut up. They get touching me.
You already know I'm gonna teach you now.
Okay.
For sure.
You look like me
Yeah,
out
this
there,
is a
boy.
lot better.
Yeah.
Like me out there, boy. I said, man, you got my.
Oh, I told Mark, you play a hell of a role.
Yeah.
I swear that boy like me out there.
Appreciate
Boy, I
that.
see you like Brett right there. Brett, tell me. Yeah, well, you know what I'm saying?
April 28th.
I got him.
Hey, you know this shit, rap this shit. Hey, all fuck with niggas, cause we niggas. Homicide gang, roll suicide gang. He on my waist and my heart so cold. I'm a big dog. He said she wants to give her a straight body. We should have another beat. I put that bitch up. They let boy you crazy, squeaky skin on the beach. Cause no life for me, I'm the plug her out like Chris. Roll, yeah, baby, ride, beat.
I got no top in the business. Young nigga give you the bitch, I've been getting it. Young nigga and I got plenty. Yeah. That nigga get rich. Yeah. I used to make shit like a Greek. I got money, blue and green. Walk around so double G's. Yeah, I'm a bullshit thing. Feel like Tarzan and all these shit. He's so high, I can breathe. Like a poor bitch, I'm a king. I'm a two-star, all in the rap shit, moves ain't take long. I'ma do this, I gotta come on. Catch him in traffic, I'm up to the truck. Really big, gotta hit on so they hip to get over the hip though. Never ever wanna go like this. Got no got shit, a nigga not shit. Go get the damn, get your head put the wrist. I ain't no talk, let the cow come to you. I can fracture, I took a look.
Thank you. Nice meeting you. Nice to meet you too. Oh yeah!
That shit went.
I'll be freaking the seats off the beat. Yo. I can dog, I get hella bleep.
We gotta tap in with you, boy.
Right, Liz.
Oh God.
You're so pretty. Thank you. We're done.